Alright, so it is Sunday, October 30th, 2022, and I'd like to say it's roughly 4 p.m. right now, and looks like one of the Rheems has gotten replaced with a Ruud. Now we only have 2 Rheems remaining now, and train heat pump right there. Hopefully I'll catch a full defrost of it soon, but yeah, that's a shame. I'm gonna go down there and see if it's a 2022 unit, which I feel like it should be. There's a train, Rheem. That Ruud's from 2016. The Rheems are from 94. This one's from 2017, and this one's from 2022. I think. Yes, I was right. 2-ton from 2022. I already have some leaves in there. Yeah. I've caught those 2 Rheems starting up, which I'm happy about. I caught this one starting up twice. Caught that Ruud starting up, caught this train starting up, and defrosting. It wasn't a full one though, but I believe the defrost video of that train, I think it has over 3.5K views. Yeah, dang, that's a shame. Old Rheem that really hardly ever ran, gotten replaced. Excuse my voice crack. And we have some units down there. There's that 2021 Ruud that replaced a 1996 Heil 5000. I had to think a little bit on the year, but yeah. There's the 2016 and 2014 Goodman, and the 2019, 2016, and 2017 Ruud units. Yeah, these 2 old beasts still remain.